Okay, is my light right? Am I in the center? Everything okay? Right? Like this? Okay. You know who's your biggest enemy? No, it's not your boss. No, not even your mother-in-law. No, not your neighbor also. You know the biggest enemy you have? Your need to be right. You want everything to be right, everything to be perfect. Yes, and in this process, we forget that, our righteousness breaks more homes and hearts than anything else in this world. Not even your anger, not even your pride.
It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to be wrong.
It's okay to forgive.
And it's okay to start over.
So let's this year of 2022 be a year of imperfections. Why don't we embrace and accept our imperfections in this year 2022? थोड़ा सा स्टाइल वापस मारना पड़ेगा
क्या जरूरत है
अरे प्लीज यार दैट आई हैव टू टेक दैट मैसेज आउट
It's okay.
So wishing you a very imperfect,
A very imperfect,
A very imperfect
Very imperfect.
New Year 2022. Thank you.